Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Nissan Murano with keys inside. First, locate the hidden mechanical key within your Nissan Intelligent Key fob. Simply push the small release latch and slide out the physical key. Then, insert this key into the driver's side door lock and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. It's a straightforward method that can save you a lot of trouble. Also, be aware that some Nissan vehicles have a built-in lockout protection feature, which can automatically unlock all doors if the intelligent key is detected inside when you close them. If the mechanical key isn't an option, you might try a long-reach tool. First, gently create a small gap, perhaps 1/2 inch at the top of the door frame using a non-marring wedge. Then, carefully insert a long-reach tool, often called a slim jim, through this gap. Maneuver it to hook the interior lock button or the door handle. For some older Murano models with a manual lock knob, a shoelace with a slip knot can be carefully worked around the knob to pull it up and unlock the door. Sometimes, the best and safest option is to call for professional help. A certified locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Nissan Murano without causing any damage. Additionally, many roadside assistance programs include lockout services, so check your membership details. For newer models, remember that Nissan often provides smartphone apps that allow you to remotely unlock your vehicle. Some advanced key fobs also have features that enable access, even if the fob is inside the car. To prevent future lockouts, proactive measures are key. Always carry a spare key, perhaps in your wallet or with a trusted individual. Make it a habit to physically check for your keys every single time before you close your car door. Investing in a key tracker, like a Bluetooth device, can help you locate misplaced keys quickly. Also, remember to periodically check and replace your key fob battery to ensure its reliable operation. These simple steps can save you significant time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.